My name is Emma Hing. I mean, I kind of grew up, loving movies like a lot of other people. I did a lot of theater in high school, and then I was applying to colleges. I looked at theater programs, I looked at film programs, and when I got into NYU, I kind of made that choice. It's like, I really want to commit myself to doing film. The excitement of being on a live production, like being part of a crew, is probably the best thing about filmmaking. The fact that it is so collaborative. You have to work with a lot of people. For what I'm focusing on right now, being a camera assistant, I look at it as very technical. It's a process, and you get creative when you start problem solving. I'm especially thankful for the scholarship because it is an expensive workshop, because you're paying for not just great teachers or like a great school, but we have the equipment here. And it's not very common that someone's going to ask you on a shoot that has an Alexa or has the Panaflex Millennium XL camera and say, hey, you want to play with this for 3 days? You want to just like build it, break it down, find out where everything goes, reconfigure it? Last year I took a lighting workshop, and lighting on set in production, it needs to go fast because you are holding everybody else up. And if you're on set there, it's hard sometimes to understand. You can't stop the gaffer in the middle of the setup and say, so why are you doing that? Or like, how do you do this properly? But at these classes, I can stop Brad, who's teaching the assistant workshop, and I could say, so why did you put the camera here? Or why did you mount this one piece of equipment on the camera there? And he will explain very well, like, well, it makes more sense here because then when I pick it up, I don't have to move it, or when I switch lenses, it stays there. So I think the best thing about these workshops is giving you teachers and then the time to kind of figure it out on your own. Rarely do you get the time to do what we are doing right now. I think it's really important that we keep encouraging women to do all the roles that they want to or anything, and obviously not be intimidated by the fact that it is a male-dominated industry. But it's not ingrained in us that like a woman can't do this job.